Hi friends, welcome to diploma classes. Now we are in model number 2 in the topic integration by substitution. In the topic integration by substitution, model number 2, integrals of form. Integral of the form. Integral of the form. Okay. Now we can solve some two problems and we can go for the case number 3. Okay. In this video we will solve two problems regarding to the case number 1 and case number 2. Okay. Now now we have to know about what are the formulas are required to know to solve the model number 2 category, model number 2 sums or problems. ఓకే, మనకి ఏమైతే ఫార్ములాస్ రిక్వైర్ అవుతాయో అవన్నీ రాసుకున్నాము. ఫస్ట్ ఏ ఫార్ములా మనకి రిక్వైర్ అవుతుంది? sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Therefore, when we write sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x, cos square means 1 minus sin square. This is okay. And we know about the integration formulas also. d by dx of sin x cos x, d by dx of cos x minus sin x, integration of sin x dx minus cos x plus c, integration of cos x dx sin x plus c. This is the integration formula. Differentiation formula. I am again I am explaining the formulas. It is very important. This is the trigonometry formula. Algebraic formula: a to the power of m into a to the power of n means a to the power of m plus n. Bases are equal, power should be added. Bases are equal, power should be added. Now we are go. This is the overview of the formulas of the model number 2. Now we can go for the problem to solve. Okay. In every video I am saying formulas must be remembered to solve the model number 2 problems. Okay, formulas are very important. Question number 1, integral Sine to the power of 3x cos to the power of 4x dx. Here we have to know about which power is big. We have to know about powers of the sin x and cos x dx. What we know? First condition what we know? Sin x, the power of sin x is odd, then m is equal to odd. What is m here? 3. Then the power of, then t is equal to cos x. The power of sin x is odd. No? Next one. The power of cos x is odd. Then n is equal to odd. 4, no? This is odd number? No, this is not odd number. It will not apply for this question. This only apply for this question. If power of sin x is odd means 1, 3, odd numbers, 3 kada, then m is odd, 3 is odd, then put t is equal to cos x. Otherwise, when we compare to, now I will write another one here, another problem there, to know. Already I said, now I will compare what we have to. In previous videos we solved all the problems. Now I will write. Now I will say which one should be which problem must be take t is equal to something. T is equal to something. T is equal to something. How to identify t? It is very, very important. It is very, very important how to identify t. Okay. Now I am writing second question also. I will write 5 questions and I differentiate with all things. Okay. Integral sine to the power of 3x cos to the power of 6x dx. Question number 2. Question number 3. Integral sine to the power of 9x cos to the power of 3x dx. Question number 4. Integral sine to the power of 5x cos to the power of 3x dx. Question number 5. Cos to the power of 3x sine to the power of 6x dx. Now we have to identify t. Okay, we know the 3 conditions. First condition is if the power of sin x is odd, then m is odd, then put t is equal to cos x. If the power of cos x is odd, if the power of cos x then n is odd. Put t is equal to sin x. If both powers, third condition, if power of sin x and cos x is odd, then m and n are odd. Therefore put t is equal to, if it is t is equal to sin x, what is the condition? T is equal to cos x, what is the condition? If t is equal to sin x, okay, if t is equal to sin x, the condition is m is greater than n. If t is equal to cos x, m is less than n. This is the condition for the third one. Now how to find out? We have to remember, bro, we have to remember this all. It is difficult to remember, and it is hard to remember this sin x, cos x, and the powers of sin x, powers of cos x. We are not remembering, means now forget about this one. Okay, forget about this one. Now come for question number 1. Which power is high? The power of sin x is high, the power of cos x is high, the power of cos x is high. Then simply t is equal to cos x. That's all. Which power is high between sin x and cos x? Okay, that you put which power is high. What is that? Cos power is high, but t is equal to cos x. Now here, which power is high? 6 is high, no? Then t is equal to cos x. Here, which power is high? 9, no? 3 is less than 9. Then 9 is high. Then put t is equal to sin x. Then which power is high here? T is equal to sin x. Then which power is high? T is equal to sin x. That's all. See, in model number 2, first condition, case number 1 is look like in these forms: integral sin to the power of mx cos to the power of nx dx, or integral cos to the power of mx sin to the power of nx dx. No, it is looking like that only, no? This, see, this is in the form of this condition, this 4 is in the form of first condition. Okay, are understanding? Now don't you have to remember this 3 in the case number 1. No, not at all. Consider, don't consider this. Only when you read or when you practice, you see. Okay, but I said shortcut, no? I said shortcut, no? Yes. Now we will solve the problem, first problem. Okay, we will solve the first problem. The board is clear for you? Okay, it is very clear. Now we will solve the first problem. First problem. See, consider it is in the form of, in the case number 1 or a case number 2, the powers are 3 and 4, and this is m and this is n. Okay, cancel and compare this form related to this question. It is in the form of this only, no? Integral sine to the power of mx cos to the power of nx dx. Now what I said, first of all we have to solve the problem. Okay, solution given that integral sine to the power of 3x cos to the power of 4x dx. Sine to the power of 3x cos to the power of 4x dx. Now we have to write, put t is equal to something. What is the something? Now this is m, no? We have to write like this first. Here m is equal to 3 and okay, m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 4 and m is less than n. This is the first step and this is the second step. Okay, m is less than n. What is the condition? Put t is equal to cos x. Okay, this is the condition. How we have to remember? Remembrance is very very important, or I said easy way to remember. If it is the powers of sin x and cos x which is high and which is high power, you have to keep cos x is equal to t. That's all. Okay, don't worry. Now differentiate with respect to x తో differentiation చేస్తే d by dx of t, d by dx of cos x. Okay, then dt by dx is equal to minus sin x. Therefore now it must become here minus dt is equal to, okay, minus dt is equal to sin x dx. Okay, now come for this one, integral sine to the power of 3x cos to the power of 4x dx. We know that cos is t is equal to cos x. Now we can split this one to sin square x sin x cos to the power of 4x dx. Then we can arrange this one, sin square x cos to the power of 4x and sin x dx. Okay, then we can write this one in the t. Why we are see why we are differentiating the t is equal to cos x? Because this one, no, it is in the x terms. It is in the x terms, but we are here, the what is the name of this topic? Integration by substitution we are doing. We are considering one function to t or z or anything you can we can consider. Okay, you can consider. No, t is equal to cos x. No, it will become t. Okay, now what we do for sin square x? We know the formula. What we know the formula? sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Therefore we can, from this we can write the sin square x. Sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. Okay, 1 minus cos square x. Now write 1 minus cos square x, then cos to the power of 4x, then sin x dx. Okay, then we can convert. Now we can convert in terms of t. No, we can convert in terms of t. Now see, 1 minus t square, t to the power of 4. Why we are converting cos square x? T is equal to cos x kada. Then we can write t square, t to the power of cos square. Sin x dx means what? Minus dt. Okay, minus how to come outside of the integral. Now t to the power of 4 into 1, t to the power of 4 minus t to the power of 4 into t to the power of 2. This we have to compare with algebra formula. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. See, m plus n. A, what is a here? T. Then m is 4, n is 2. Now t, 4 plus 2, 6. What? T to the power of 6. Now we can write t to the power of 6 here and dt. Now this minus have to come inside of the integral. Integral minus integral t to the power of 4 dt minus minus plus integral t to the power of 6 dt. Then we know the formula, integration formula. What we know? Integral x to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here what is n? Here 6 and here 4. Okay, compare this formula to this one. Okay, here integral what is x? T. What is x? X is t. N is 4 and dx is dt. It is in the terms of t, it is in the terms of x. Okay, now here also what is x? T. What is n? 6. Now we have to write minus, okay, minus t to the power of 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus t to the power of 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 plus c. Then minus t to the power of minus t to the power of 5 plus 5 plus t to the power of 7 by 7 plus c. This is the overall procedure of model number 2, case number 1 and case number 2 also like this. Okay, or understand? Now we can leave this section. Thank you for subscribing me and supporting me. Viewers are increasing and watching time also increasing. Thank you for your support, and please share my YouTube channel to your friends, relatives, family members, and it is very useful for them, and I am saying everything, every detail of the every model, okay, in this YouTube channel. Please support me and guide me, and I will also say tuition for the polytechnic students. If there anyone, please share my YouTube channel to them, and they can get a benefit from this YouTube channel. Now this I have material. I will upload in YouTube description. Please see that your material also. I wrote very well, and clear steps, that all. Okay, we can conclude this video. We can go. Thank you for subscribing me, sharing my YouTube channel to your friends, relatives, family members. Thank you.